look at this 2006 Ford Super Duty F-350 DRW. This Super Duty F-350 DRW has just under 100,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Super Duty F-350 DRW boasts a 6.0-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, AM/FM stereo, tow package and driver airbag. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.